sound very good.
This thing apparently, from what I was just told, is the definition of no quit. So last night we took it to the track and well, things were going good till they weren't. Well, old Rodney over there fucking decided to clock out. He was done for the day. Didn't want to make no more passes. Shot out of the oil pan. I'll insert a picture somewhere in here. But he said he fucking fired it up and it came right off the trailer, so.
Let me hit the power.
Oh yeah, hit the power. And these juices died.
Don't sound very good, but it was able to drive off the trailer into the shop.
Yeah. I hope the block's fine. That is a 4-bolt main block. I don't want to tear that up.
Unless it broke a cap, everything looked fine from the outside.
Probably just a rod. But yeah, so that's it. It's brokey. New motor time. So it's gonna be a little bit again. But we're gonna pull it out eventually and then get it on the stand and see what kind of carnage is actually going on in that bottom end.
Do it. So you're talking shit about my electric shit. I don't have to wait on no fucking air. Oh yeah? You want more? Like a fizz, like.
I wonder how bad that head gasket is on this one.
Well, you know water's going everywhere.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
it's fine.
It's gone. God damn. Poverty ass bullshit.
So if you look,
God.
there's just chunks of metal all in here. Come on, focus. I'm sure that's fine. You think that's fine, Cody?
Could be better.
It's a little internal weight reduction.
Yeah.
Something like that anyway. But yeah, we're gonna knock the head off of these things. See how bad the head gaskets are. Which cylinder is missing a piston? Comment down below which one you think it actually is. Cause something is not right. When we loaded on the trailer yesterday, we picked up part of a wristband. Did it fall out of the oil pan, or was it just...
It was hung in the oil.
It was hung in the oil pan. So, we'll get back to you when the heads are off.
Reach out.
Come on. Tell it how you really feel, Brett. Ah! Ah!
Come on, you motherfucker. God damn it.
Got it.
Alright.
There, bro.
Just the inner side.
You gonna pop it?
Pop it like a cut. Pop, pop. Yeah, there is, dumbass. That was my dumbass, should I say.
Way to go, Brett.
This must be Brett's first time pulling a head. Well,
It's not a caterpillar, that's
These
why.
motherfuckers, yeah, you see those. This motherfucker.
I damn just yanked that sumbitch, son.
Let's see what's under number one.
I want to look at his head gasket too. Oh. Oh.
Oh. They needed head gaskets for sure.
That's part of the gasket.
Check out that.
That's a water jacket.
That whole water jacket's gone. How's them pistons look over there?
Not bad, actually. This head gasket wasn't actually popped.
Hey, I just pulled that out of a pump hole. Or a water jacket hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, that came out of the water jacket hole.
Yeah, well.
That could be why it was running a little hot on that side.
That makes sense. Somebody stuck fishing lures in there. That's not where you mold your own fishing lures, guys. I mean, it's got nice pistons in it, though. Doe valve relief.
We got truck.
All right, pop it.
That's Cody's truck.
See what we got.
What's under door number 2?
Kiss the valve a little.
Did it kiss the valve?
Yeah, just a little, but nothing bad.
Here, bring the head out around. We'll look at that real quick.
Here, let's set it
Yeah.
right here in the sun.
Bro, there's a lot of rust on those.
Yeah.
Tell me this motor was sitting for a while. Which one did it kiss? Oh, that one.
Yeah.
I just knocked the fucking...
Carbon off.
It cleaned it.
Yeah. Didn't even hurt the head. Get it resurfaced.
That's
Reuse it.
crazy.
The head is fine.
All right, let's look at this piston. Probably because it's got such nice valve reliefs in it.
So, we know it wasn't overspun.
It was definitely... Oh, no, that piston's toast.
It wasn't floating the valve. Let me get under there and I'll push it out the top. I bet you I can get a bar up in there and push that piston out.
Yeah, no, that piston's fucked. I mean, the ring ridge ain't really all that bad.
Like a pry bar?
Bro, did you feel those gouges in that cylinder right there? Feel that cylinder. Next one.
Oh yeah.
That one's close.
Hey, how's that head gasket look on this side?
This one actually don't look bad. Probably plugged up a little bit, but it's alright.
Don't look too bad.
Well, that'll work. I guess we're gonna try and knock this piston out of here and see just how bad it is. But yeah, so it's the back piston on the driver's side, let go. That rod, kicked it out. Said you are now evicted. But yeah, I'll get with y'all once we get it pulled out. That's how it goes sometimes. Well, shit. Can I turn the flash on? So, if you can see, there's a crack that runs like that. That had clearly been leaking for a while and been bad. And there was another crack right there. I'm thinking from when it got smacked. So, yeah. If that would have let go right there at that little crosshatch though, would have had a hole there instead of down there. But right now, we're trying to find bolts so we can pull the bottom in, see if the crank's savable. And if it is, woo, bolts. Let's see. it's hard trying to find the hole with looking through the camera. That is not going to be the right size, Cody.
Okay, well,
Hell yeah.
that one?
But all of the converter bolts, I guess when it let go, they backed out. So that's less than ideal, but it is what it is. But yeah, as soon as we get this thing on the stand, we'll get it pulled apart, kind of go through it, see what's savable, what's not. Hopefully the cam's still good. I mean, it should be, hopefully. There was metal all throughout this deal, so maybe not. But if it is, like I said, we got the 355 putting back together for it. Unfortunately, I ordered the wrong rings and they didn't fit, so spent all that time gapping those for no reason. That's how it goes though. But hopefully I'll get another set of rings in probably by Monday, so we can finish assembling the short block on it. Actually, maybe get the whole deal put back together and get this back in the car and get it fired up. You know, it's only going to run harder with the bigger motor. Like I said, this was just standard bore 350. It wasn't nothing special. We just slid a thump stick in it, called it a day. It ran pretty all right. It was still dog ass. I think best pass of the night was a 9.2.
Oh.
Didn't spray it. If we would have, I don't think we'd have made it to the 60 foot. That probably would have been a hole inside the hole, if you know what I mean. Would have been a bad deal. So, it is what it is. Part of it. But, this other one, she's going to be gapped for a big shot. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. So, like I said, we're trying to get this put on the stand. As soon as it is, I'll pick y'all back up. Let y'all get a little look in there.
Hey, watch it for that one. That was awful long.
Not deep enough hole.
That'll be for that one. My little sketchy shit. Oh look, it's finally on the block.
I'm about to say, you let go of it, it's just going to drop.
Well, it didn't. It came off.
Okay. That'll be fine there.
That one looks great. Looks brand new.
It's definitely turning in the... Not egg-shaped or nothing. Doesn't look like no trash went across it.
No. Holy hand now. Ow.
That looks clean.
That one's turning.
Wow, this thing, oh, here it is. Well, if you would stop focusing on Cody, you could see it.
Ow. That looks good.
I had a little metal on that one.
Yeah, that one's had a little bit of something there. That one was pretty stuck in there.
Yeah, it could have just been like a vacuum. Well, that one,
It looks like
it was
something got
definitely
on
turning. Yep.
it. Phew. The trash of the oil around the edge.
That's alright, all these are gonna get cleaned anyway. They all look good though, that's the main part. Sorry, if this cam was fucked up, we would have been going with a solid roller. It would have just took a little longer to get this motor put back together, or the new motor together. This one's definitely gonna have to go to the machine shop and see if, ooh, that one was not turning. Oh, maybe it was.
It was.
That was just a line. Yeah, that was
Surprised I
turning.
ain't stepped in that pipe.
Yeah, me either. Hit all of them?
Pretty sure. Alright, let's turn this thing over. There's a little bit of something in the bottom of that.
Well, it's on the floor now.
Couple pieces.
Oh, shit.
Um,
Bro, that's another rod. Get a flashlight. You got a flashlight? Oh, yeah, I got my other the phone. And I accidentally turned it off from recording. That looked like there's another rod hanging out down in there. Yeah. That is another rod, brother.
So we broke 2 rods.
It has to be.
Let's get this pan off. We'll find out for sure.
That's definitely a wrist pin, bro. What the fuck is that? We find out there was just some random shit just chilling in the pan on this thing. This is what happens when you don't take things apart when you have a motor that was running when it came out of the other car, and you're impatient instead of putting the motor that's supposed to go in the car together, because, you know, there's a bunch of unknowns. We had no clue if the transmission was any good, if the rear end was any good. Hell, I even put the converter that was sitting in the floorboard in the car. It all just kind of worked out. I can't believe this thing ran as long as it did, but it did.
Oh, I need thin wall.
Yeah, because there's even holes down here. Oh, don't focus on that. Yeah, this pan's toast.
You're just gonna keep showing my mistakes, aren't you?
Oh, this is just gonna skip through, really.
What is that?
That's the end of the rod. Yeah. Sure.
I'm gonna roll this back over and dump it all out.
Yeah, might as well. Shake it. Shake away.
No, it's all gonna hit the floor.
Well, that wasn't that much. Anticlimactic.
No, there's more in there.
Oh, I know. There's some more of it. Oh, wait, don't turn that motherfucker.
I'll just spin it.
Bro, look what it did to the oil pump. It just... Oh, shit, there's more of it. I can't believe this thing actually fired up and drove off the trailer. This little guy's the definition of no quit.
I'll make anything run.
Oh, there's the rest of that wrist pin.
Oh, there's something up in there. Just locked it up. Alright, that's about as far as I'm gonna go. We'll spin this thing back over.
Oh, that's part of the piston. More chunks of piston. Chunks of wrist pin and piston. Yeah, brother, I'm gonna say she let go pretty good. I don't think that crank is savable.
Oh no.
She is toast.
Yeah, that crank ain't no good.
Well, 400 crank time if they can fix this block. I sure would hate to lose a 4-bolt block.
We'll find out if it broke a main cap.
Oh, it didn't break no main cap.
Well, you won't know because all the bolts are still in it. It could be cracked, but we'll find out.
I mean, yeah, it's a possibility, I guess. I feel like it would be showing its issues.
Doesn't look too bad.
I'm pretty impressed. I thought it was going to be way worse than this. So, yeah. Number 7 threw its guts up. Here's the rest of it. Looks like chewed up bubble gum. That's what happens when shit breaks at 7,000 RPM. Oh, it definitely got that valve. Look.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. The valve ain't closed all the way no more.
No.
Yeah, that crank is not savable.
No, she's toasty, brother.
Ooh, they beat up that piston over there too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got that. There's another sleeve. Well, I got lucky it didn't get the cam. Well, at least it looks like it didn't get the cam.
I will say this.
That should have not been able to pull out of
That
there.
explains our low oil pressure at idle.
Yeah, it's probably twisted up. Shouldn't be able to just yank that out of there.
Not with one finger. Well, we know what happened.
Yeah.
I don't see no cracks on them caps, so.
Everything else looks good, though.
Yep.
I mean, it's not like I'd reuse any of it. I mean, this is all stock shit. It's not even ARP bolt. So I was looking. If they can't save this block, I'm going to do main studs. And then 400 crank. And yeah. Yeah, it smacked it pretty good there, buddy. We'll do that. And then 60 over. It'll be a 388. A little nitrous 388, huh? What do you think? Big shot?
Yeah. Who
So with that being said, American Engines, we got some work for y'all boys. We got 2 cylinders gonna need sleeves. It's yeah. It's a little less than good, but it'll be alright. We'll put the 355 together for it, and yeah. But I will throw some clips in here that my buddy's dad took from the track when the car exploded and let go. And because unfortunately I wasn't filming. I was, if anything that could have set us back, and I forgot the cameras and stuff at the house. Could have used the phones, but you know, I don't have a phone mount in the car, so wouldn't have had that anyway. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on getting this video edited so we can hopefully have it up, you know, tomorrow morning, maybe by Wednesday. Or fuck, tomorrow is Wednesday. Thursday. Yeah. We're gonna be late this week. Story of my life, but it'll be alright. But I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. If you would, it'd help out a lot if y'all share this. I'd like to reach 500 subscribers by, you know, the end of the year. But yeah, If y'all feel like continuing to watch, go ahead.
Don't make fun of his 2 different motor mounts. That's just what he had to do
That's
to make it
highly scientific, Cody. You better calm down, guy.
work. I know
You don't know nothing about no real
somebody's
race
gonna
car.
notice that and say, "What's the deal with 2 different motor mounts?"
It's highly scientific. I don't know. We throwing together some junk around here. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, y'all take it easy.